As we all know, China has banned cryptocurrency and has been applying like strict policy around this area. So, how does Conflux work and operate in this crypto-free environment? And also, as we know, Conflux is the only compliant platform in China. So, what advantage does this give Conflux?
Okay, sure. So I would like to talk about these compliance in two aspects. So firstly, technology wise, as everybody knows, if you have to use the public chain, you have to consume certain computing resources, which we call it gas. On Ethereum, if you want to use Ethereum, you have to have some Ether to consume as gas. And in order to have Ether, you have to buy such cryptos on the exchange, on a crypto exchange. And then you have to get ramp on using through your fiat. This is essentially banned in China or gradually get out from China, right? But this really prevents ordinary users to interact with the public chain. Conflux also offers a solution called sponsorship mechanism. So that means any third party can pay for the users instead of the user have to pay the gas itself.
Mm.
Right. To give you an example, when you use an application on the mobile phone, generally such mobile applications are deployed on a cloud computing server. Instead of the user have to pay the cloud computing service fee, the developers generally pay for it, right? And the users actually pay through membership, advertisement, or like game purchasement. So users don't have to pay the computing cost. So they don't have to purchase any cryptos before interacting with the public chain. And also in the very early time for the developers adopting Conflux public chain, the Conflux Foundation reserve a bulk of tokens to pay for the developers. So even for the developers, they don't have to pay gas fee in the early days. They can request sponsorship from the foundation. And in the future, once such developers and their applications have been adopted by a lot of users and they started to make revenues, they can actually have commercial contracts with Conflux Foundation or any third party like service vendors to deal with the cryptos. So neither the developers, the application entrepreneurs, all the users have to deal with cryptos directly. They can deal with like the foundation or any third party vendors. So that means the merchants, the users, they all can operate in the crypto free environment. On the other aspect,
Yeah.
Conflux team has actually built a very good relationship with the Chinese government, especially the Shanghai government, to put us and also its ecosystem applications in a sort of a sandbox environment where we are allowed to try out a lot of new things as long as we keep communicating with the government. So a lot of developers, users, and also enterprise clients are very happy with working with Conflux, given Conflux has a very positive image and reported in China. Conflux has been covered by People's Daily, Shanghai Wenhui newspaper. So we have a very positive image. So that's why a lot of app developers, enterprise clients, and users dare to use Conflux in China. So that's why I think Conflux has a very strong advantage in China, given its compliance status.